more technical training, providing a hands-on lab for students to practice how to use the software they need to do their jobs is critical. Practicing with the actual software has been shown to significantly improve the learning experience and to lengthen student knowledge and retention time. For that reason, ReadyTech offers 3 lab options for our customers to choose from: ReadyTech hosted labs, cloud provider hosted labs managed by Axis, and SaaS Labs. All of these lab options are seamlessly integrated with our instructor-led and self-paced training solutions. In this video, we will take a closer look at each lab option and help you decide which would work best for you. Let's start with ReadyTech hosted labs. With ReadyTech hosted labs, customers are getting access to an infrastructure that is owned and managed by ReadyTech. Data centers are located in California, the Netherlands, and Singapore, providing good global coverage. Our infrastructure includes bare metal server systems and cloud and custom hardware hosting options. Bare metal server systems can be configured as an ESXi host, allowing students to control and access their own hypervisor environment that can run multiple virtual machines. These ESXi-based labs allow for very complex lab setups with many virtual machines and complex networking for each student. If students need access to only a single virtual machine, ReadyTech's cloud is often the best match. We also help customers who require their labs to include proprietary or custom hardware such as switches, firewalls, or other equipment. If you are looking for an easy, all-inclusive pay-as-you-go hosting solution, ReadyTech hosted labs is the way to go. As an alternative to hosting your labs in ReadyTech's data centers, we also offer a solution where the labs are hosted with the cloud providers such as AWS, Azure, and Google, while managed through ReadyTech's Axis product. Customers have a direct relationship and their own account with the cloud provider of their choice, and through a very easy-to-configure integration, Axis will manage the creation, startup, shutdown, and teardown of the labs based on your training schedule. Besides managing the virtual machines of the cloud provider, Axis also allows users to securely connect to the lab using just a browser. No need for RDP or VNC. In Axis, you can configure the virtual machine to only accept connections from ReadyTech's web portals, making lab access more secure. Axis is a great solution for customers who want to take advantage of the large global infrastructure and low-cost hosting options the cloud providers offer, but also realize that the cloud providers by themselves do not offer the features you need to easily manage lab environments for training. With Axis, you can be sure that the labs are only running when users need them and are shut down to save cloud provider costs when not in use. With many different plans and monthly subscriptions, Axis will match any lab demand. What if your company is offering a SaaS product? You might still want or need a remote lab in case you want to control which browser and browser settings the student uses to log in and use your cloud application. Alternatively, students might need access to other applications such as Excel in conjunction with the cloud application. In these cases, a remote lab will still make sense, but that is not the case if all training is solely done in the cloud application itself. If this is the case, a remote lab is overkill and adds unnecessary complexity, and foremost, it will add to your costs. For pure cloud application customers, ReadyTech has a SaaS Labs solution. With ReadyTech SaaS Labs, students will log into your cloud application using their local browser like they would normally do when using the cloud app. The big difference with ReadyTech is that when the student is accessing the cloud application through our Instructor-Led portal, the instructor is able to oversee their activity in the application and take over their browser session to assist when a student needs help. This oversight and co-browsing solution is very affordable, and instructors will love the simultaneous lab oversight and seamless control this solution offers. We hope this video helped point you in the right direction, and of course, we are here to answer any questions you may have. Please contact us if you'd like to see a demo or start a free trial. Thanks for watching.